Alright, so uh mathematics. I don't know why am I doing this, but here I am. How do you remove this? God. Oh no. Wait. Uh so here I am doing this mathematics paper. I on request by Josh from TAWS. Uh I don't know. Okay, so this is what they are doing in 16 years old. I'm 17. uh Time allowed 1 hour 30 minutes. Calculator allowed. What else? I think that's the only important thing. Maximum mark is 80. I think I will try to speed run this because I want to do another paper. And either way, Josh said that this was very easy, so and if and when I look at the paper for a glance, it looks easy, so let's just go with it. First of all, I definitely need a timer. Let's say 130. No, 130:00. There we go. And let's start. Alright, we're already going to our first question. A shape is translated by the factor 0, 4. In which direction does the shape move? Uh, so let's say we have a point right here. Let's say point 0, 0. That's the origin. If we translate by the factor 0, 4, that means it will lead to a new point 0, 4. So here the general direction is going up. We can see the same behavior for others, like example like 2, 2, it will go to 2, 6, it will go up. So the answer should be up. How do you, is there no eraser in this online? I don't know. Using online annotate PDF websites is I don't know. I mean, I don't have any other app to use, so this is my best. All right. Uh, 1.75 kilometers is a fraction of 700 meters. First, we have to convert both to the same unit. This will become 1750 meters. Fraction to 700. That means we would have to find 1750 over 700. That would be 2.5 because 1400 and 350, yeah, 2.5. That would be the fraction would be 5 over 2. So let me remove this, my workings. The answer is 5 over 2. And then this linear sequence, it's obvious that this is an arithmetic progression of difference 8. We have to find the nth term, so technically we need to find like 8n, the gradient 8. So the answer would be this, because the first term is 1, the first term n goes to 1, the answer is 3. So from any of these options, the answer would be either 8 minus 5n and 8n minus 5. Because if we put n is equal to 1, this would be 9 and 11. And then because the difference is 8, the gradient of with respect to n is 8, so the answer is this. Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot I have to, oh my god, okay. Work out the LCM of 20, 30, 40. Quite simple actually. We know that the 0 can be left out, so we need to find the LCM of 2, 3, 4. 2 can be left out because 2 is already like a divisor of 4. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. The answer will be 120. I mean, for simple things like this, I don't think I need to elaborate that much. The length of it's 110 to the nearest centimeters, so it's either like 10 point, yeah, 10. The lower bound is 109.5, because when we have 0.5 we round them up, so this would be 109. Wait, I shouldn't be writing this first. uh yeah, and then the upper part would be 110.5. Remember that we have this, because if it's exactly zero point 0.5, it would be like raised, it would be to the next one, the round up. So having that sign is important. Oh, oh no. uh Whatever. Alright, so the answer would be 109. Yeah, and this. Alright. Hmm. What else? Oh yeah. I wish I have a better app for this. Oh wow, I need to plot it on this. Oh no. I do not like it. Ah. Let's just do a rough sketch. I hope Josh is okay with it. So we have 2023, that would be around here. 261 2612, that would be like around here. Forgive my mouse accuracy. 3251. 3251. Oh no, 3251 would be here. And then 3780 would be here. Alright, so we have the points plotted. I don't even know if I'm supposed to plot or not. Complete the graph. Okay. From the previous points, it seems that we don't need to draw a best fit line, so we can just uh maybe I should use, wait, I should use brush width. Keep the brush width at 5, but use this, so that's more of a straight line. There we go, more acceptable. Yeah, whatever. Next. Okay, let's say this is done. Yeah, this is done, whatever. Use the graph to estimate the number of uh yeah. Hmm. What am I supposed to do with this part? I am not sure. Let's just say uh text. Oh my wow. Uh, by prediction from graph. Let's just write that first. Go back to the previous. It seems that we have like, let's say if we have to draw a best fit line, it would be something like this or something. So like the next one would be around here, right? And that would mean let's say it's this here. I am not sure which one is the best fit line. It is more like this. Yeah, it looks more best fit liney, and it will be at that is 4300. That would be in 4300. Let's say this is like the best fit line. Best fit line, I guess. I am not sure if this is the intended way. I'm just using whatever that I know. Let's just add this best fit line. No! Oh my, wow. Best fit line. Okay, so the answer would be let's say it was 4300, right? Yeah. Rough estimate. Should be okay. Is that foot? Yeah, that looks more like 420 to me. Yeah, let's go. Oh, this kind of problem. Showed that Mo is wrong. Uh, we can do everything, right? We can like just iterate everything. So let's say we have n, and then we have n squared. Let's say we have like n squared 9n and then k, so that we can make it like a good table. Oh my god, I cannot draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Alright, please excuse my drawing. I do not really care about my tidiness. So also there's this line. So we have to count this one for 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Alright, 9n is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Please excuse my handwriting. 63, 72, 81. So if we sum this plus 1, this would be 11, 23. This is prime. This is prime. 9 plus 27 is 36, plus 1 is 37. 16 plus 36 plus 1 would be 53. That is also prime. This is 71, also prime. This is 91. 91 is not prime since it's let's say here 91 is not prime since it's 7 times 13. Okay, for the completeness, let's just check everything. This is 113. 113 is prime, I think. I can check that with the wait. It is not divisible by 5. I am not sure if it's divisible by 7 or not. I mean, this is open calculator. Let me just take it. Okay, it is not divisible by 7. Yeah, so 113 is indeed prime. 64 plus 72 plus 1, that would be 137. 137 is not divisible by anything below to 13. So yeah, that's also prime. 163 1 136 163 163 by not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7, not divisible by 11, not divisible by 13, not divisible by 17. Okay, it's prime. So yeah, not prime. Alright, that's it for this problem. We have, okay, we already wasted 14 minutes. How many pages are there in this? I think we can make it in maybe an hour. Let's just see. Dog owes a noun 600. Which month I'll pay back the 20% amount that I still owe? In 5 months. Show working to check if his method is correct. So let's say we start from the first month. This is the first month, would be 600 times 0.8. That would be 480. And then the next, this is like the remaining amount of money, because like if they pay back 20, yeah, if he pays back to 20%, that means he has 80% of what he owes left, right? So we multiply by 0.8. That means in n months, the amount of money that they owe is 600 times a 0.8 to the power of n. So if they want to pay for 5 months, that would be 600 times 0.8 to the power of 5. 600 times 0.8 5, that would be 9196.6, which means that at that point I am not sure. I mean, I do not get it. Like, in this method, you will never pay off in eternity, because 0.8 to the power of n will never be 0 for such an infinity large n. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, either way you will die before even getting 0. So I don't see the point of using that method. Anyways, since the question asked for like 5 months only, they have this owns still owed, so hence incorrect. I don't know. I mean, to be fair, if you will be marking me in this condition, then I don't think I can get 100, because my wordings and my ways of explaining may be incomplete. So yeah, that's my issue with this kind of questions. Anyways, so we have this. What is the lower? So first we need to find the perimeter first. Perimeter is like three small semicircles plus 2 long ones plus 1 large one. So the small would be like, since the circumference of the circle is pi d, the circumference of a semicircle is pi r. Here, r for this is 0.45, r for this is 0.15. 3 pi 0.15 plus 2 times 0.75 plus 0.45. Alright. 0.45 pi. Both of these are the same, apparently. I wonder if there's like a rule about that. It makes sense in a way, but yeah, that's a question for another day. I mean, like n smaller circles and one large circle both have the total diameter is the same, hence the perimeter will be the same as well. I am not sure, since technically, why am I explaining smaller problems? Like n times pi half d will be d over n, right? Because it's divided into n parts. That is equal to pi half d, which is equal to the larger one. So that's interesting to know. So technically both have the same length. It's just the, maybe if we're considering a motor racing thingy, the difficulty of going here is harder than going here. I am not sure. I am not good. I don't really know about racing. Anyways, the total will be 0.9 pi plus 1.5 kilometers. To make that into readable decimal, that would be 4.327 kilometers, approximately, corrected to 3 decimal places. And then, so we need to find the lowest number of full flaps. That would mean we need to find the ceiling of 305 over 4.327. Plugging that into the calculator, 005 divided by 5, we have a ceiling of 085 actually. And since we're asking for a number of full laps with lowest, we need to round it up. That would be 98. So the answer is 98 laps. Wait, did I input the wrong thing? Wait, why is 4 times 98? Oh, I put the wrong value. Oh my god. 305 divided by n, it's not divided by pi. Let's revise that. Oh no. Too much undos, yeah, whatever. I do not care. That will be 70.481, and that is equal to 71 laps. 71 laps is the answer. Alright, that makes more sense. Next. There's nothing left in this problem. Okay. Solve a simple inequality. Let's just move the x to the left hand side, normals in the right hand side, multiply by 2. Because 2 is a positive number, the sign does not change. The answer is x is more than minus 10. Alright. Trigonometry, that means cos x is 9 over 10, since it's side over hypotenuse. X is the inverse cos, of 9 over 10, which if we plug into the calculator, that will give us oh, they want degrees, right? My calculator is in radians. That means times 180 minus divided by pi. That will be 28. No, wrong. 25.8. 25.8 degrees. Okay. That's it. Next. Okay, we're almost half an hour in. Wants to draw the graph. Here is this graph. Make one criticism of the graph. What should I say? It's not graph. It's not curved. The problem here is like the gradient is not constant. It's not in like linear and straight. How do you explain? I mean, considering this is a kind of paper that I would do in my grade 8, that would be 4 years ago. That's like 13. I think, yeah, I do these kinds of papers in like 13 or 14 years old. To be fair, at that time I already know calculus, but assuming that I cannot say anything about calculus, I would just say that graph should be smooth or curved. That's the only thing that I can say. What else? Like nothing. What else? Maybe I should by smooth meaning not straight lines. Consider plotting more points to see the curved nature of the graph. Okay. Oh wow. I am sure I would be when I am sure I would not answer like this if I were to be a 13-year-old doing this, but what is done is done. Probably biased. Wow. Circle the expected number of tails. Head 0.6, that means tails is 0.4, 0.5, 0.4 times this would be 200. Okay. I don't need to explain how I get 200, right? Yeah, 500 times 0.4, count it yourself. Alright. Okay. So let's say the mean mass of original thingy. So like the sum of original is 19 times 82. 19 times 82 is 1558. 1558, and then you add 93 kilograms. This is the new one. So the new mean would be 1651 over 20 equals to 82.55. Yeah, I think I can just put it all in without even rounding up. I hope, because what I hate in these problems are like I need to round it up and blah blah blah. I'm not sure lah. I don't even care. Alright, so we have 3D objects. Cylinder, radius 8, height 22, and pyramid, and this is the... Alright, interesting. They don't give us the direct height, but the slanted height instead. Alright. Oh, fabric on wireframes. So we're finding, like, if we're asking for fabric and it's square meter, we're talking about surface area. Hence, it makes sense that we know the slanted height of B instead of the actual height. So let's count the SA of A first. Uh, the surface area of a cylinder would be its like its walls. Its walls is just a rectangle of length circumference of the circle of the base multiplied by the height. That would be 2 pi r h. Now I need to know fabric, which part of the fabric, like which part of the lampshade is covered with fabric. It's used to make the curved cylinder, so we only need to consider 2 pi r h, not the height, not the lid and the base. Here it is also the case. We need to consider only the triangular faces. 2 pi r h, that would be 2 times pi times radius was 8, I think. Yeah, 822. Let me check again. Yeah, 822. I hope that I don't blunder in any of these problems. This would be 832 to 32 352 pi. Alright, and then we consider surface area of B. So surface area of B is 4 triangles, 4 times half times base times height. That means these cancel out into 2. The base is 15 and the height is 24. Right. Yeah, base 15, height 24. Alright. Hence, the surface area would be 30 times 720. Alright. So the cost of fabric A is 352 pi over cost of fabric 400. But here, look, it's square meter. Meanwhile, our things are in centimeters because imagine having lampshades that are in meters. So we have to convert this. That would be 4 per. No, wait. Wait, I'm confused actually. 0.4 first. No. It's 0.04 per centimeter squared. This one is totally wrong. Oh my god. Yeah, so this one is 0.04 per centimeter squared. Hence, this should be multiplied by 0.04. 352 times 0.04 is times by 44.23. For B it's 720 times times 0.04, 7 to 0 times 0.04, that would be 28.8. And then hence cost of lamp 1 lamp set A, we have this, so we have to add the before and this, so that would be 44.23 plus 3.5 ratio to 28.8 plus 7.5. I am too lazy to do this, so we have like 36 point, this would be the left hand side. The left hand side I would have to 352 by 352 by 0.04 plus 3.5 divided by 36.3. The answer is 1.31521. So yeah, 1.35521. Alright, so tedious lah. I think I need to get drink first. Oh yeah, and at this point TAWS 31 should be starting. I do not care about Tetris. At least not anymore. And not in this condition right now, I don't know. Oh yeah, that means this video is like what do you call it? A non-official announcement that I am quitting Tetris. Do not worry, I might get back to Tetris after a few months. It's just I don't really have much time doing Tetris. Anyways, back to this. Running club. Okay. If a female is chosen at random, the probability that she has blue eyes is 0.38. That means we can multiply 50 times 0.38 equals to 19. 19 blue-eyed females. We can do the same. 80 times 0.6. This would be for the males. Alright, so probability of blue eyes is 19 plus 48 over 50 plus 80. 19 plus 48 is 67. 67 over 130. I mean, looking at this fraction, we know that half of 130 is 65 and 67 is more than that. That means it's definitely more than 0.5. The exact value would be 0.51, 0.52, more than 0.5. There we go. Squaring this 5. This is simple. Just remember to square everything. Square the 3, square the 5, square the x squared of x, that would be x. Next question. Oh, I why am I suddenly like not, I do not want to continue this. I mean, I'm already like almost halfway, I guess. I prefer doing something like doing integrals, but okay. Ah, you know what? Nah, it's okay. I don't need a 100 from Josh. I just want to, see how easy it is. 10 to 15. Frequency is 8. That means the frequency density is 8 divided by 5. That would be 1.6. 1.6. Where is 1.6? I think we used this one. 1.5. This is 1.75. This is 1.7. 1.6. Wow, iPhone. God, I please excuse me. I am using mouse. My mouse accuracy not that good. Okay. 24 divided by 10. That means it's 24. 24 density. No, 2.4 density. And the weight is this much, I think. Yeah. I'm just eyeing at this point. Just, you know. 30 divided by 15, that will be 2.0. And the width, and it's this wide. Now we have 40 to 70, that's 30. 39 divided by 30, that's 1.3. 1.3 is here, and it's this much. Alright. Wait, we only need to find, oh my, for what reason? Only the histogram. You thank you for wasting, I don't know, 2 minutes or 3 minutes of my time. The length of a roll ribbon is 30 meters connected to nearest half meter. Correct to nearest 0.1 meters. So maximum, so like max roll length is 30 point half, nearest half meter. Nearest half meter would mean that it's like 30, 0.25, 0.25. Yeah, so like the maximum roll length is 30.0, yeah, 30.25. And then the minimum piece length is with the same logic, we can go 0.05 there, 0.05 there. That means the minimum will be 5.75. Hence, maximum possible roll, maximum possible difference is like the maximum of the larger one minus the minimum of the little one. So yeah, this one would be 24.5 meters. Okay. Next. That's the only question right in this paper. Okay. Okay, we're almost halfway through our timer. We have how many questions left? Oh god. Okay. That's relatively much. I think. I don't know. Circle. Circle. Curve P. Curve Q. Okay. If we're talking about the reflection of the y-axis, that means Q is y equals to 2 minus x minus 1 squared minus 5. Do I need to explain why I can't just do minus x? Should I? Nah, I don't feel like it. You know, get the point. Let's say, so y-axis. So we're technically like uh reflecting the, what do you call it, the stationary point, and the stationary point here is 1 minus 5. Hence we should draw it minus 1 minus 5. This is okay. That means, yeah, that, and we expand it, we get 2x squared. This one is plus 4x minus 3. Yeah, 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Travel same 16 kilometers. Okay. Let's say this is x kilometer per hour. In 5/6 hours, 5 hours, and x kilometer in this speed is equal to going at 4/3 hours at 6 kilometers per hour. So 5/6x times 8, 5/6x equals to 8. X is equal to 48 divided by 5, that would be 96 divided by 10, 9.6 kilometers per hour. I mean, no, x is just 9.6. The kilometers per hour is, or the part of what I did here. So since like time is distance over speed, distance is 16.8, velocity is 9.6, 16.8 divided by 9.6, that's 1.75 hours, which is 1 hour and 45 minutes. So from 900, wait, we're asking for Joe, right? So more like for Joe from 9:30 to plus 1 hour 45, that would be 11:15 a.m. 11:15 a.m. Alright. Okay, I do not have this when I am 13 years old. So yeah, it is true that this is harder. But I mean, this one is quite simple. First we have to solve this one, right? Oh, it's just iterate the formula. It's not that nothing fancy lah. X2 is just minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 2 over 10, that is minus 3 over 10, or is minus 0.3. X3 is minus 0.3 cube minus 2 over 10. Here I need to use the calculator because I can't count mentally that much. Minus 2 over 10 minus 0.2027 0.2027. Okay, we need 1 mark, so it's something like calculator mode. Calculator. So I wish I have an online calculator app so that I can show you what we would do, but first we would do like minus 1, because we start from minus 1, equals. So now in our calculator, our scientific calculator, the answer variable is minus 1, so we can just do n's cubic minus 2 over 10, and then we smash the equal button until we reach a number that like doesn't change. Here, after a few presses only, we have 0.20081. Yeah, 5 decimal places right there. It's 2000081. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. 1/3. 1/3. That means this is like 2 over 3h. And so this should be 2 over 3 times 1.41. Yeah. Times 1.1 over 3. 94. So we have this like new, triangle, 48, 94, and 2 over 3h. We can use the Pythagoras Theorem. Take half triangle. This one is 24, 23 over h. Alright, so 2 over 3h is equal to square root of 94 squared minus 24 squared. That would be 90.88. So h would be 1.5 times that. That would be 136 point, no specific number of decimal points. 136.33. Let's just use 2 decimal places. Alright, got 'em. Next. Alright, we're given this. They have the same volume. So radius of cone, this is 3x 2h. Okay, so we have 4 over 3 pi 2x cubed is equal to half 1/3 pi 3x squared times h. blah blah blah. We can erase this, erase that. We have 32x cubed equals to 9x squared h x over h is equal to 9 over 32. That means 3x over h will be 27 over 32. Hence, the answer is 27 to 32. Very well. Alright. Which vertices are invariant? Invariant meaning it doesn't move, right? X equals to 4. It's obviously B and C because here, like, it's like here. Not exactly that. Wait, let me. There we go. That means like it would be something like this. There we go. Yeah, B and C. Okay, inverse function. Quite simple too. Here, we know that x is not 4 and the y is the domain here is x is not equal to 4. The domain here, the range here is, what's the range? I forgot how do you like determine the range of. I mean, take the fact that fx is equal to 2 plus, well, not plus actually, wait, it is 2 plus 11 over x minus 4. So yeah, y is not 2. So for f minus 1x, we need to like switch. X is equal to 2f inverse, f inverse minus 4. Alright, f inverse, let's combine like terms. X minus 2 is equal to 4x. I know I'm skipping some steps. But I do not mind. So f inverse of x is 4x plus 3 x minus 2. Here it's like domain is not 2, range is not 4. So the answer is this. Alright. It's kind of odd if why don't they like specify which domain, but yeah, doesn't matter. Circle, blah blah blah. We can, yeah, substitute y equals to 3x plus p, 2x squared plus y squared equals to 53. We have x squared plus 3x plus p squared equals to 53. X squared plus 9x squared plus 6xp plus p squared equals to 53. So yeah, we have like the exact same. P squared minus 53 equals to 0. Alright, we got that. The coordinates are alright. here I need to like, let me crop this because I do not like rewriting it. Crop it, save, whatever. Next we add the picture. What's this? Alright. Oh wow, too large. Whatever. Let's just deal with it. Put in 10 times 2 squared plus 6p times 2 plus p squared minus 53 equals to 0. Wait. Why do I need to like... Oh, fuck off. Wait, I don't think I need to do that. That's so stupid. So like, it passes to y equals to 3x plus p. So 7 is equal to 3 times 2 plus p equals to 1. So we have like 10x squared plus 6x minus 52 is 0. Can I factorize this? We can get 2 out of 5x and something. So it's like I don't think I can factorize this because 52 is quite hard to factorize, especially with such a small difference. That means x is... Wait, I think I can, because like the first answer is a whole number. How could it not be hard to do it? So x minus 2, 5x minus, alright, times 2, so 13. Yeah, this should be positive. That means x is minus 2.6, y equals to minus 2.6 times 3 plus 1, that is minus 6.8. So minus 2.6 minus 6.8. There we go. Okay. End of questions. This is the last question. Circle the thingy. Here's a sketch of quadratic thingy. Gradient curve for x is less than 3. Here. So like the gradient is like this. Gradient is negative. I mean, is this a joke question? Is this a joke question? I am not sure. Gradient is negative. Okay. End of thingy. Yay! Save PDF. Let me check. Yeah, I'm still recording. Apparently if I record simple things like this, it wouldn't be much better. In fact, if I stream this, I don't think I will get into really much problems. But I don't know. Actually, I think I should have streamed this. Okay. Around 1 hour. Download result. Here's my complete PDF here. Oh wow. Let's check if I answered everything. Yeah, I have completed the graph. Blah blah blah. I can't believe that I actually did this. Whatever, I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. Let me check. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think like I'll take it's like 11:37 right now, and in 12 I might, no, I don't think I will be streaming because nah, I don't feel like it. I'll just record myself doing integrals because especially tomorrow is a math exam. This is a simple warm up for me. Alright, stop the timer. Stop it. Okay. And there we go. GG's. We'll see you in next section. I have two other Tether.io videos that I need to upload, but I think I'll find a better time to upload that. That's it, guys. Wow, wow, iPhone.